This is a video recording about the how to upload multiple projects into enQuire at one time. Now today we're going to be using the UAT environment, which is like the testing environment where you try a few different things that you don't want to do in the production environment. In your browser URL, type in uat.enquire.net.au. So you can see that when you're in the UAT environment, you have this yellow box in here that says UAT. You see the address in here. And you'll be able to see all the things that you would see within your normal working environment. The first step to uploading your projects is to click on the drop-down box next to projects and choose this one that says create offline. You then select the download bulk upload template, and it may come up and present a box sort of saying, do you want to download this file? In this particular case here, it's just down the bottom left hand corner, it's got the bulk upload template Excel. So click on that to open it. And this is what the Excel spreadsheet looks like. They can customize these to make them more unique for our particular uses. But this will save you a lot of times. In the field we have various application ID. You would have been allocated a number or a block of numbers to use for applications. You can then tab across, select external, select no unless the grant requires a CEO approval. And this is where you put your project name as you would within your application when you open it up. We then choose the delivery area that relates to. This is where you put your project outcomes as the standard project outcomes you have for all the reef rescue ones. Project benefits. And this is where you put that longer worded standard project description stuff. Put our start dates for our projects. It's important to make sure that the date is after the start date, otherwise it can lock the records. Is someone who has previously applied for an application within enQuire, their details will be in the system. And this drop-down box allows you to select from those people. If they're not, just leave that particular field blank. This is where you'll assign yourself as the project manager. Make detail public is always no. Financial job code. And once we've done that line, it's ready to go. Add in up to 50 records, I believe, at one time. Try keep it to 5 because it makes it a lot more manageable. Remember, this is like the first step. This is like loading in 40% of the project rather than doing it through the enQuire interface. We're going to save this one here. Make sure you save it as an Excel 97 2003 workbook. So when you finish that, you then go back to enQuire. And this is the area here where you download the bulk upload template for. We're now going to upload the template. It will go through the process of uploading that, and it will come back with a successful message. From projects, choose application, which is the record we created. And you'll see our record is listed in here. At this stage, we then go on to update the information that is required to bring this record up to speed. Then we're required to update the rest of the information to get this application to the stage where it's ready to be accepted.